Hi, it's Matt Balk, the Natural Areas Coordinator for the Urbana Park District. I wanted to talk to everyone about our tree and shrub removals that we have going on at Crystal Lake Park right now. Anyone who's been to the park has noticed our bright green flagging tape around some of our large trees around the lake. These are all of our good keeper trees. They're great natives, so those will be sticking around. The rest of the vegetation around the lake is invasive shrubs. Bush honeysuckle is our main invader, kind of ringing our entire lake. So in order for us to bring in new native shrubs and trees, we're going to have to remove our invasives first. We have nearly 40 trees that we're going to be replacing our invasives with, another 300 or so shrubs, and 400 or more live stakes, which are going to be smaller shrubs that will really help to kind of fill them in very quickly. Our hope is that we'll have great vegetation establishing over the next few years, and these trees and shrubs will be a really big part of the restoration.